out of the way so I can get through.
See her?
Yeah, but I can't slip you in a minute off.
Look to the left again, over there.
Good morning.
See, I need to get my foot in.
I'm getting you. You got to keep working. Keep doing. You're doing it. Okay, I'll show it to you later. You keep doing it. You're doing good.
See it? Yeah, you're doing it. I'm gonna bring it out just a little bit.
Keep going.
Move it out a little bit.
Tell it to go.
You
Tell
have
it to
to
go.
focus on it, don't you? See what happened when you start talking? That leg forgot what to do.